this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy today's video of the Jacksonville Festive Shawl. I'm so excited to have this finished, and I just wanted to share this in case you have not heard that there is a Z from Zelda NRJ3. She has a happy birthday crochet, Jacksonville Festive Shawl crochet along giveaway. And anyway, so she is like, I think the giveaway ends October the 15th maybe. But anyway, it's this shawl right here. And this is the one that I made. And my gosh, guys, this is so easy. Easy peasy. There you go. And here it is up close. So I want to tell you a little bit about this. I will leave the link below to the pattern in case you are interested in doing this, and to Zelda's YouTube channel, and I guess probably to the video where she is introducing the Jacksonville Festive Shawl. Yeah, I'll leave that in there for you guys, so that, because it's not too late. I made this like in 2 days. So, and I've heard some people make theirs in 1 day. So I'm just going to show this to you. The yarn that I used is, I used a Mandela tweed, and here it is. Isn't that just beautiful? I love it. And it is a 4-weight yarn, and it's 568 yards, and it is 100% acrylic. And so I used exactly 1 cake of this. And I'm going to tell you that 1 cake was the exact measurements that she has on here. I made mine exactly 18 inches wide, and when I got to the very end, it was exactly 65 inches. And that's using a 4-weight yarn. I know some people are using different yarns. She has on there chain 84. I could not chain 84. It would have been too wide. I mean, I guess it would have been okay, but I was really wanting to go by what she had here, being my first one. You know, now if I make another one, I may make it wider. I don't know. I do like this 18 inch. I think that's wide enough for me. So, but the other thing is, let me find, yeah, that's what I ended up with. This is the row I started with. I did start mine because you guys know that when you do a single, when you do a chain, how a lot of times it makes it real, where it's kind of tight and wants to pull in. I did not want that to happen on here. Plus, I was really trying to get that 18 inches to where it would match it exactly. So I did a single crochet foundation row, and then I just measured 18 inches from there. Since I did not want that, and I did the single crochet foundation row, I did about 51 of those single crochet foundations. That's what I ended up doing, about 51 of them. And she has chain 84, but she's using a thinner weight yarn in this, I believe. And since my weight was thicker, I knew that would be a little bit wider for me. But you can still do the chain 84. It's just fine, guys. You can still do the chain 84. It'll just be a little wider. Mine is 18 inches wide, just to double check. Yep, it is 18 inches wide. So, but I do want to make another one. And I really like this size, so I don't know if I would necessarily go up any. Anyway, and it's 65 inches in length. And like I said, using this right here, it came out exactly 65 inches. I just got lucky. I thought I was going to have to get into another cake, but I didn't. The only other thing is that I'm going to do different is in hers, she has chain 3 and then turn. Guys, make sure you do that, because some reason I did a chain 2 and turned. And I did not realize it till I was almost finished. So this last part right here, like right in here, it flows better. And these right here, it's tight. And so it's like when I put it on, I can only put it on one way. And that's with this right here up against my neck. Because of that tightness that sometimes those single crochet, sometimes those chains will do. Well, that's what this did because I chained 2 instead of 3. So be sure and watch that next time. But yeah, that's the only tips that I have for that. I hope you guys have enjoyed that. Please go. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. The designer is Caleisha from Quirky Monday Crafts. And I will leave the pattern below and Zelda's link below as well, so you guys can go get it. And even if you decide that you don't want to make it right now, go grab the pattern while it's free and make it another day. I used a H 5.0 millimeter hook. Even though I went up a size bigger in my yarn than a lot of people did, I still used that H hook for that. Because yeah, they recommend like fingering weight yarn. Yeah, and I used a full weight, quite a bit bigger, but it's okay. It's for this winter anyway. And okay, so that is all. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the little video and the pictures that I put up showing it off. And if you haven't got involved in this, guys, go do it. It's fun. Enter the giveaway. Get something new that you've made out of it as well. It could be a great Christmas gift that's coming up. See, and look how pretty it is, all folded up. Look at that. It's just lovely. I just love it. Okay, so to end this video, we're going to do the 365 days of prayer. And this one is called All I Need. It says, my God will supply every need of yours according to his riches and glory in Christ Jesus. It says, Lord, how is it you always know what I need? And how do you never tire of providing for me? Even if a material need goes unmet, you love me so tenderly and specifically, I can count on you for the peace and joy that I need to sustain me. In fact, some of the most joyful people I've ever seen are those with little more than your love to sustain them. What trust this inspires in my heart, and what gratitude, and then what humility. I know I don't deserve it, but that never stops you. Your provision is as endless as your love. Give me a heart of grateful as this knowledge deserves. And then, of course, it says, do you trust God to supply all your needs? So, okay, that's all that I have for this video. And please like, share, subscribe, leave those comments, tap the bell so you always be notified whenever I release a video. And happy crocheting, everyone. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.